Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I am going to show you how to send your location to someone in WhatsApp. So first you need to open your WhatsApp. After that you need to go to the chat of the person you want to send your location to. Here you can see an attachment icon. You need to click on that. There is an option called location. Click on that. Here you can share your live location and click on continue. Make sure your location is turned on in your mobile phone. You can select the duration to share your live location, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. And just like that, click on send, and you have sent your live location on WhatsApp. You can click on stop sharing if you don't want to share your location, just like that, and it stops. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.